Hello Year 11, thank you for considering A-Level Biology. I'm Dr Pickersgill, I'm Subject Lead for Biology here at Penistone Grammar School. At Penistone we study Edexcel Advanced GCE Biology A, SNAB Biology, which also stands for Salters Nuffield A-Level Biology, and we study 8 topics over the 2 years. If you enjoyed GCSE biology and have an interest in learning that more in depth, more complex biological processes, and you are considering A-level science-based subjects at university, then this is the right course for you. Throughout the course, you will gain practical skills and data analysis skills. You'll appreciate how science works and relate concepts to new examples. You'll also develop an understanding of more abstract concepts as well in biology. To study A-Level Biology here at PGS, you need to have gained a grade 6 in separate biology or a 6-6 in trilogy science. And biology is quite a demanding A-Level, but it is really enjoyable and well worth the rewards. In your first year, you will study topics that include the cardiovascular system, gene expression and protein synthesis and structures of biological molecules. In year 2, you will progress on to ecology, photosynthesis, immunity, microbiology, respiration and the nervous system as well. And these topics build on the knowledge that you've already gained from your first year of study at A-Level. Our internal assessments include 4 home learnings made from past paper questions. There are 2 mini tests per topic and then 1 bigger end of topic test as well. And we complete trial exams in December and then May and June time, as well as writing up core practicals across the 2 years. And I'll talk a little bit about core practicals in a second. At the end of the second year, you will be assessed through 3 official examinations. Each account for 33% of your total qualification. We've got paper 1, the natural environment and species survival. Paper 2, energy, exercise and coordination. And then paper 3 is a general and practical applications in biology. So that's a mixture of all the topics that you will have studied over the 2 years, as well as any of the core practicals as well. So throughout the 2 years, as I've mentioned before, you compile a lab book and that's used to gain a separate science practical endorsement for A-Level Biology. So you'll develop your skills by completing a range of practical competencies together with 18 core practical experiments. If you're going to university and study science, it's something that university will look for to check that your practical skills are suitable for higher education study. We're also around after school to support our students. We run after school drop-in sessions on a Monday and a Thursday, and it's available to students who want to consolidate the learning outside of lesson. They might want to recap particular areas of learning. They might just need help on homework questions because they're struggling with home learning questions. And second year students tend to enjoy this time after school as well to make sure that they're recovering first year content as well. Last year we had a total of 39 students that achieved 100% A to C grades, with 33% of those achieving an A or A star grade. Last year's results were obviously new to us as they were teacher awarded grades. We have been seeing an average of an ALPS of 2 across the last 3 years, which is putting us in one of the highest in the country and in this area for studying A-Level Biology. Nearly 50% of our A-Level Biology students in 2020 went to study a biology-related course at university. Our students thoroughly enjoy the course and many decide to study biology further after their A-levels. So it's not something that they necessarily know that they want to do straight away, but they do tend to sway towards a biology-related degree afterwards because the A-level is so enjoyable. Our students find A-Level Biology quite challenging. They always tell us that at the end of the second year. They also say that it does have a heavy workload associated with this A-Level, but they do find it very rewarding. They do find it extremely interesting. And as I've mentioned before, many students do tend to go on and study a biology-related degree at university. Students often find studying a combination of other science-related courses worthwhile at A-level, particularly because of the overlap of maths content on the science A-level courses. However, there's no rule to say that you cannot study any subject at A-level if you enjoyed them at GCSE. The good news is all of the maths content in A-level biology is all teachable, and you will pick that up over the 2 years of the course. Biology is also classed as a facilitating subject, so choosing facilitating subjects at A-level leaves open a wide range of options for post-18 choices, so university choices or apprenticeships. It's a requirement for those who want to study biological sciences, ecology, genetics, marine biology, microbiology, midwifery, neuroscience, nursing, physiology, radiotherapy and zoology at degree level. That's what universities will be looking for. A-level biology is also preferred but not essential for studying pharmacology and medicine, and an A-level in biology can lead to many different career opportunities. Just a little bit about what we do as extracurricular activities. So we do take a Year 12 day trip to Yorkshire Wildlife Park to learn more about their conservation efforts, which relates to topic 4 in Year 1 of your A-level studies. At the end of Year 12, we also take you on a core practical investigation at Filey, Brigg, where you'll be measuring the distribution of limpets. It's a well-rewardable day out, especially when it happens in July, and we get some nice weather and a day out at the beach. Another trip that we also run here at PGS is the Science and Maths trip to Paris. So Year 12 students have the opportunity that study any science or maths at A-level to take part in this Science and Maths trip. So we head to Paris, we go and visit the Science and Industry Museum in Paris, and then we also get a couple of days at Disney as well before we head back home. So I do get quite a lot of frequently asked questions that tend to be a similar question on open evening night as it would run normally. So one of the questions that I get is, does it matter if you've done trilogy science rather than separate biology? Well, the answer to that is no, it doesn't matter at all, as long as you're getting a grade 6 in trilogy science to study A-level here at PGS, that's absolutely fine. There might be some things that do come up in A-level biology that only separate biologists have studied, but it's nothing that you can't look over yourself and have a revise at before you actually come on to study that during A-level biology. The other question is that I get asked a lot is about the grades. So you're expected to get a grade 5, can you still do A-level biology? Unfortunately not. Our requirement is that you do get a grade 6 just because of the amount of work and amount of content that we have to get through. And we know that those that grade below a grade 6 actually struggle on this demanding course. So we do want you to achieve a grade 6 for you to be able to come and study A-level biology here at PGS. If you do have any further questions at all, or you'd like to ask anything about could be revision material or anything that you could be doing to prep for A-level biology, please do email me. This is my email address, and I really look forward to seeing you next year studying A-level biology.